What if your school could connect directly with IIT Madras and unlock new learning opportunities for students and teachers at no cost? Hello, principals, school leaders, and educators. I hope you are doing well. Today, I want to share an exciting initiative from IIT Madras that can benefit your entire school community. Over the past 2 years, IIT Madras has been working towards building meaningful partnerships with schools across the country through its School Connect program. The aim is simple: to guide, mentor, and support schools by creating opportunities for both teachers as well as for students. The most exciting part is that this partnership is completely non commercial. There is no membership fee for the schools to become part of this program. By becoming a partner, you can have access to wide range of initiatives from IIT Madras. So let's see what all is here. So this is the website that you need to visit. I'll also share the link in the description. So if you click on know more, you'll be able to see a lot of things, right? So who can apply? If the school becomes member of this program, the students of class 10th, 11th and 12th, they can apply for these courses. The course durations will be 8 weeks, and there will be 1 hour classes, there will be bi-weekly assignments and all. You can see everything here. There will be mode of delivery will be online, and all these courses will be certification courses. After completion, the students will receive a certificate from code IIT Madras. So this is the structure. There will be videos, live interaction sessions, assignments and assessment. And this is the eligibility. I have already shared the same with you, and the students can enroll in the following courses. You can see these are the courses that can help students to be more aware about the career choices that they have. And as teachers, sometimes we are also unaware. So through these courses, the students can actually know what all options are available to them and how they can pursue with this. You can see there are courses on data science and AI, on electronic system, architecture and design, engineering, biological system, maths, computing, law, games, puzzle. There are fundamental of aerospace, ecology, humanities. There are courses for almost everything. So, becoming a partner school simply ensures that you stay informed about these opportunities and can choose the ones that best suit your students and teacher. The registration process is quick and easy and takes only a few minutes. I will share the link where you have to visit, and just follow the registration steps and you can become the part of this Connect program. If you know another principal, educator, or school leader who would benefit from this initiative, please share this opportunity with them as well. Together, we can help more schools access quality learning opportunities from one of the major India's institution. Let us empower our students, support our teachers, and strengthen our schools through this wonderful initiative by IIT Madras. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see your school become a part of IIT Madras Connect family. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.